Hi all, welcome back to the Indian Century. Padayani or Padini is a modern form of Kolam Thullal, a ritual dance in association with festival occasions of Bhagavati or Bhadrakali temples of Kerala. This ritual is performed as a mark of fertility and happiness during the harvest season. Literally meaning a row of warriors, Padayani is an art form that blends music, dance, theatre, satire, facial masks, and paintings. The performances last for 28 days in the courtyard of Kali temple. Its makeup materials are absorbed from the nature like spathe of areca palm, terracotta powder, charcoal, and turmeric powder. The columns are brought in procession to the temple entrance in the light of the chotakattas or the coconut leaves, accompanied by Chendamelam and Arpavali, called Edithu Varavu. Tavadi dance is one among the rituals in Padayani, performed by a group of men wearing towels wrapped around their heads. The dance begins with gentle and synchronized moves of the hands and the feet, following the rhythmic beats of the ilathalam or the cymbal and the drums.
சோலவும் துடியோ தேரதே உள்ளிமான் மழு சோலவும் துடியோ மனுடே பெண்ண பின்னோத காரணியே നാവുവൻ അൻപൊടു നൃത്തമാടുകലോകതീത ചോരനാകേദാരക സ്വതനേ നുരക്ഷ കൈതരുക തേരാഗതേത സൂരനാകിയ സുഗനേ പദേ പതിന കാലാന്തകന്റെ ബാലനേത്രമതെങ്ക നിന്നുളവതേത മുട്ടുകൊട്ടി നടന്നു മേധാളേ മേഘജലേതല മുട്ടുമെന്നു നിനച്ചവൾ പൊണ്ണി തേരാരതേത മുട്ടുകൊത്തി നടന്നു മേധാളേ മേഘജലേതല മുട്ടുമെന്നു നിനച്ചവൾ പൊണ്ണി തേരാരതേത ഒട്ടുമേ മടിയാതെ കണ്ടവള പള്ളി വാഴതല വെട്ടി വീണതുരുഗ്രാസി ഈശ്വരിക്കു പ്രധാനമാ ദിവസേ അടിയെന്നൊരു പൊടി പോലെ വന്നിടയേ മോതലിക്കിതേ ചിത്തക തക തക തിക്ക് തക താകരകിതേ തത്തത്തിത്താരകതിക്ക് തത്തി.
Tappa is a major instrument in the Padayani performance. Both the hands are used to beat the instrument. The beating style and beating sounds of Tappa vary with Talakshara.
അങ്ങനെ ഓടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞ് തരുമയുടെ അപ്പൻ ചത്ത 16 ചെമ്പ് ചേരേണ്ടത് കേട്ടോണ്ട് ഓടി വന്നതല്ലയോ? എന്തോ ഇങ്ങനെ ചെമ്പ് ചേരേണ്ടത്? ആ ചോറ് കിട്ടാം. അപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ ഞങ്ങൾ ചെമ്പ് കണ്ടു, നിങ്ങൾ ഓടി വന്നിരിക്കുക ചോറ് വാങ്ങി.
These are named Paradeshis, the one who brought news. They are experts in reciting slokas, singing songs, and performing different forms of dances. This entertainment includes the dialogue between the villagers and the Paradeshis and various artistic performances of the Paradeshis.
ಕರಗಲಿದು ಪರಸುಮೃತ ಮುರಮದನ ಶಂಭೋ ಕರಗಲಿದು ಪರಸುಮೃತ ಮುರಮದನ ಶಂಭೋ വന്നിത് തീടുമ്പോഴങ്ങ കൊടുക്ക കൊടുക്ക നങ്ങ നടക്കണം ഇടുകണ്ടേ അവളമായ സുരകമധുവിരവുടെ നടത്തി തൊന്നു പൊകളത്തിൽ നേർത്തവരെയല്ല തോർക്കും തകമുണ്ട മുണ്ടുമിരാവേ
Animals which came to the cultivated field were once driven away with the help of dog and by lighting flames. Nayattam Padayam, the hunting and the army can be considered as an imitation of this practice. Tiger, dog, bear, etc. are associated with this item. In this practice of Kudirakolam or Kudirathullal, the horse model that has already been prepared is fixed to the waist of the artist. Strings are tied to the both ends of the horse model, passing over to the shoulders of the artist and firmly held by the left hand to keep it in position. Along with the kolam, there will be Patani, a Muslim merchant, dressed people with whip and cloth bag in hands appearing in the kolam. Kudirathullal hints on the ancient trade relation of Kerala with the Arabs. Kuratikolam presents stiff and ferocious body movements and captivating the eyes of the audience. The mother goddess Maruda is worshipped as the deity of smallpox. Her anger can cause a number of physical disasters like aversion to eatables, unbearable thirst, and swelling on body parts. According to the myths, Kali killed Dwarika. Dwarika's wife, Manodari, as a revenge, succeeds of smallpox on Kali and then was later transformed to Maruda. The Sundara Yakshakolam is performed by a team of at least 4, which can be raised to 6 or 8. All these visuals that you have seen is from the Kadaminita Padayani that is held every year. Large number of people who are interested from all over the country, as well as a few foreigners who are regular visitors here, come to see the magnificent performances. One can feel the real essence of vibrance and magnificence of this event by witnessing it in real. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos related to the temple rituals of India, subscribe our channel.